think finding a use case for an iPad when you have a phone and a laptop is really hard, because for the small tasks you use your phone and the for big ones you use your laptop. And how are you gonna find a way to use your iPad in a best and productive way and efficient way, because you invested on that and you paid a lot of money for your iPad, and usually iPads are expensive. So I'm going to share my top favorite applications on my iPad that I use it all the time that might be useful for you also, and I'm going to share it in 5 different categories: productivity, graphic design, photo edit, video edit, and AI tools. I'm going to start with graphic design tools. For the graphic design tools right now, I only recommend Canva because it has really good integration and you can download the app from the App Store. Yes, I like Figma more than Canva. Figma is really cool application that I use it on my laptop, but right now on the iPad, the Figma app doesn't have really good integration. It doesn't give you the edit access. You can just view the applications. For editing photos also, it's easy recommendation that most people use is Lightroom, especially if you're doing photography. Lightroom is the must-have on iPad. When we come to the editing videos, I also have other 2 applications, DaVinci Resolve and CapCut. CapCut for more like very quick and simple edits, and DaVinci Resolve for something like really cool like color grading, or if I want my video to look good, then I go and edit it on DaVinci Resolve. Especially with the new update on the iPad, DaVinci Resolve is really cool. Yes, it's not as easy to use as CapCut, but CapCut is a very cool thing. Like if you're not experienced with the editing videos, just go and download the CapCut and it start editing your videos. Now we have productivity and AI tools. For the productivity, I also have 2 applications, that's Notability and FigJam. FigJam is for brainstorming, diagrams, flowcharts, and these types, especially if you're using a pencil, Apple Pencil, or just a normal pencil. It's really cool if you're doing brainstorming, like if you're doing creative works. FigJam is a really cool thing for the iPad. And Notability for taking notes. I really like Notability for taking notes because you can record the voice while you're taking notes, especially if you're in meetings. It's really handy and cool feature. So that's for the productivity side of the work. And the last one, we have the AI tools. For AI tools, I usually use 3 AI tools: Perplexity, ChatGPT, and DeepSeek. The first one is Perplexity because I like the deep research, idea generation, and this stuff. And I use ChatGPT for quick things because ChatGPT is really good for quick things, like because it's fast, especially with the new ChatGPT 5. I haven't used it a lot. I might switch to ChatGPT more if the ChatGPT 5 is good. But right now, my second AI tool is ChatGPT. The first one is Perplexity, and the third one is DeepSeek. DeepSeek, I just use it to have a different view on something if I want, because the DeepSeek has different data and different source and different view on some stuff that you want to research or look at. These are the applications that I use all the time on my iPad, as you see on the screen. If you have an iPad, just go and download them and experience with these applications. You will definitely find it useful for yourself. Thank you for watching the video.